What are different types of ports available?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What are different types of ports available?
Container port,
Target,
port,
normal
Container,
port,
node
target port, container port.
and the node port. This node port. The node level. The range, this range is interview question. Maximum they can ask you. If you go for 10 interviews, you can expect 7 interviews. They will ask you this port range. Please make note of it. So how to recall this one? 30,000 to
30,000
tell me,
plus
32,000 plus 9, 7,
plus
6, 7. So if you multiply this also, you can get 6. Then you can put the increment of one number that side and this side. Still, if you're confusing, plus 6 plus like that, you can make it as 7, 7. Then this way also you can recall it.
That means the range in between 30,000 to 32,767, right?
Exactly. No doubt at all. This is the exact answer. Entry question. If you give the very accurate answer, they are so impressed. Okay. So
but 80 port is not come under this range, right? Ingress.
No. That is more port ingress is different. I will tell you everything in the network. So why I opened this one to discuss these errors. That is comes under the 5th chapter. We don't want to confuse that one. Now come to skip everything. Come to the chapter 4. What chapter 4? Application
security. Application security.
So,
Security.
whatever application is there, example ICICI Bank. Okay, if this application is there, this application should be secured one. If this application is not secured one, then hacking will be possible. So how I can ensure this is a secured one or not? Okay, so I want to ensure it is secured one. Example, I go for SBI. So the secured one ensure how we can ensure it with the help of the certificate. Okay. Or with the help of the OpenSSL. So Vivek, what are the ways we can ensure it? If you secure the TLS, then mostly everything will be secured. So now I can give an example for you. What is secret, ma? What is secret?
sensitive information.
Secret is used to store
Encrypted
data.
password used
Used for
And,
data protection. Data
encryption.
Protection.
Data production and to save the sensitive information. You forgot this word, sensitive information. Okay, what are types of secret?
Generic.
Fantastic.
Generic.
Docker
TLS.
registry.
Docker registry.
G means
Generic.
T means
TLS.
Docker registry. TLS. Docker registry.
Docker registry. So hope you get an idea how I've discussed generic already in the 3rd chapter while creating the user. Are you agreeing with me?
Yes.
So can you tell me the command how to create? Then I can easily explain the TLS for you. Okay, now I come to the question. How to create the generic secret? OC.
Create secret, generic secret name.
Secret,
Generic.
secret.
Name.
What a type? You need to add the type here. What's
Type
that?
generic.
Fantastic. Hold on. Generic. Okay, then followed by we are
The
given the
file name.
Secret
File name.
secret name. Okay, what's my secret? You can give my secret.
My secret.
And I used the file. Previously, I used the file from hyphen file. Okay,
equal to
http d equal to username. Correct? This in the under the username only we have all the users. And what finally I given here? I given the namespace.
hyphen f namespace OpenShift config.
OpenShift hyphen config. Fantastic. So if everyone took the printout, ma, what I given with you?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So then you can look into that. So this point is clear. Now it's easy for me to teach you the TLS. If the generic is easy for you, then TLS also easy for you. The TLS is easy, then we can make a more secure thing. So you see here, as I said yesterday, before beginning the session also, this is how we can convert here inside image to container, container to and pod. Okay, let's see here. This case is very easy to understand it. You know already this one, this portion, how it works. Now I go for the, what is this one?
Image.
Image to
Container.
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 Container to pod.
Pod.
So for example, multiple image, if example, I will create some set of, okay, containers. You can look into there. Now, how many containers are there?
3.
How many containers, ma?
3.
So this is also one container. This is also container. So we can able to place this container inside the pod or not? These are all 3 containers.
We can place.
Yes or no? What's the
Yes,
definition
sir. Yes,
for
sir.
pod?
Yes.
What's the definition
Collection
for
of the
pod?
collection of the
Collection of
containers.
group of
Group of-
containers.
Group of containers.
Group of content.
Group of containers is called what? Pod. Okay. So I have another question. The one image is enough to create all 3 containers,
Yes, sir.
or I want to create different images.
We don't
Example,
need.
I have image. This is Java is to create all the containers. I want one more Java image here, or one more Java image here. You want like that, or I can use MySQL here, or I use PHP here. Like what do you think about it? I need some
Vivek,
realistic
I have a
answer from your
question.
side.
I have a question.
Tell me, Hemant.
So my understanding was a pod is a singlest unit. It's the smallest unit in Kubernetes. So
Yeah.
a container can contain multiple pods, but it's not like pod is containing container, right? So is that
No,
right?
see here, single unit is, we not call it as a pod. If example, you have a container. Only one container we place inside the pod means that is not a pod. To place multiple containers in a pod, that is called as a pod. If you see the definition of the Kubernetes, what they say, what they will discuss in sense, single unit is different case, and if you using multiple containers. So now I'm not talking about this area. Why I'm conveying here in sense, if you see the startup error, Hemant, yes or no? Hemant, are you there or you muted? Okay. Others, do you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So why I'm coming to this point,
Yes,
the basic point again in sense, if you see here, this is startup error. What is this? Startup error. Are we noticing this one? This in image area, whatever errors you are seeing, this is a startup error. And whatever errors coming inside the container, right? This is called as this in the container and the pod, both combined. This portion is called as a runtime error. So I can say here 1, 2, and 3 image, container, and pod. So these all errors will come when, if example, image pull back off, image is not available, then you can get an error. Image inspect error, image, okay, error image pull, error image never pulled, is available. Not in your book. This is not in your book DO280. They just given one application how to do the crash to back off and how to fix it. Simple, that's it. But why I'm explaining all these errors in science, in interview, they will ask you at least what are the errors have you faced in day-to-day activities. They will ask you, you got my point? Day-to-day activities. Example, now Sarita is there. Sarita is saying, after my training, I have just worked a couple of years in the OpenShift. Okay. The OpenShift you have worked on last couple of years. What version are you working now? 4.14 or 4.13 or 3.x, which version are you working? So now Sarita is giving the answer. I'm working on 4.14. Okay, your answer is correct. Now can you tell me, have you done the recent upgrade? Have you done the recent upgrade? The next question they will ask you, have you done the recent upgrade? Or what is your role in the upgrade? What kind of prerequisites have you took it? Okay, or any backup? Are you applied any backup policy? Like that, multiple questions can be raised. I can address everything in the interview drill. Coming Sunday we have it. Okay. Now next question they will ask you, very importantly, have you done any day-to-day in your day-to-day activities? What are the errors have you faced it? This question is a justifiable question. What are the errors have you faced in day-to-day activities? And not only that, sometimes they can give directly answer question to you. Hey, how are you going to fix the image pull back off? How are you going to fix the image pull back off? My question is reasonable, justifiable. Others, they will hear me, right? Why I'm trying to convey here? What I'm trying to convey here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Vivek.
It's justified, right? So this is the question, ma. This is the question. They can give the question, or you can give the question. Compulsory this question. In this point, at least 2 questions you can expect. So as a professor, how we are training the second semester, saying this in this chapter, this question will become like that. I'm just saying this question will come. Okay. Let's see here. I'm going back here. Let's come to our chapter. This is what I copy and pasted here. Okay, I also refer to the website where I took it, because this is not in the Red Hat book. I know that they will go for certification. I am going for your clearing interview as well. Okay, so that's why I given this. So you may have the question, Vivek, what is my image pull back off? Image pull back off means if image is not available. Example, you have the Play Store. I already discussed the Play Store concept. Are you agreeing with me? So do you have the Play Store? Yes or no? In everyone mobile.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir, yeah.
what is the Play Store? It is not needed, right? So example, this is a Play Store. In this Play Store, okay, in this Play Store, you are surfing for one of the what application. So example, you are surfing for the website, one of the application called Book My Show. The Book My Show is available, then immediately you can download it. Are you agreeing with me?
Yes.
or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Or
Yes,
Red Book My Show is available, you can download it. Example, you are checking for the application called VYOG. This application. This application is still now it is not created. So the application is not available. So do you think this application you able to download or not? Or download பண்ண முடியுமா?
No.
We will not able to download.
Become
You are not able to download, right? So this situation is comes means then you can get this error. Image is not found, or image or you're not able to log in. Example, you should have some authentication should be there. How you can authentication? If example you are using Docker login, and you have to use your username and password. If you use your username and password, then it able to connect to that particular repository, the cloud. Okay, this is located in the cloud thing. So example, I can download it. For example, it is not able to connect also, you can get this type of errors. If example is seriously the image is not available, network failure, image is some tag issues, this all reasons, this kind of errors will come. Please make note down 3 possible ways this error will come. Please make note down. I will tell you the first method. Why these errors are coming. 1, login authentication issue or login issue. Are noting down? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir, noted.
Okay, one is login issue or authentication issue. Another one, wrong image name. Wrong image name should be there. Example, you are searching for Java, okay, but you give Javi. Javi is a typo error. Then image will not be available. You got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Another one, example, you are downloading the Java, but the version is, instead of you are not mentioning, actually the version they mention it as Vivek in the version name, or V1 version name, V2 version name, V3 version name, but you not mentioning any version, you mentioning Java latest. The Java latest is not there. Only V1, V2, V3 is there. Then by the time also you can get this error. Wrong image name. You are not able to authenticate the particular remote, the particular Docker or format, or otherwise you can also get this type of errors while you pulling it. So now you are agreeing with me? What are different types of errors? This or any question is, you can manage this startup errors with help of these answers. One is login issue, authentication issue, a wrong image name, or mismatch the version. Version mismatch. You can give it as a version mismatch. Have you noted down? This is not in your book.
Yes, sir.
Just added here to for your entry purpose. Mostly they can touch this point because you are saying, you are not saying that I completed my training and coming for the interview. You are saying that I have a dual role. I worked for in this job and also supported for the OpenShift. If that is a condition. If that is the condition, then compulsory they can touch these questions. Okay. What, Sarita, is it useful for you? Have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question is, you know, crash back off. Crash back off. Runtime, run container error. Kill container error. I can show you one image how it's download. You can get some good idea. So go to here. Go to your master. I'm just getting inside the master. So how to get inside the master? Administrator, nodes, and click the master name and go to our terminal. Go to our terminal. So this session is interesting. You are learning something?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The first error, how it occurring is because we are talking about application security. Okay. So meanwhile, example, I can check for Podman. Okay, Podman images. If you click the images, okay, you can check all the available images. It is pulling from the Quai.io or Docker.anywhere else. Why I'm using the Podman? Because you don't have a Docker here. Docker shows a command not found. Are you agreeing with me?
Yes, sir.
So can anyone give justification why Docker is not available? Why Podman is there? Check this entry question.
Podman is a tool of the OpenShift.
Yes, part of the tool is OpenShift. But why the Docker command is not executing here and why the Podman is working here? Any idea? I said already 3.x version only Docker is available. Now what version we are?
Until the okay. 4.1.
Until 1.x, 2.x, 3.x, they used the
Docker.
Docker. So what is our conversion, ma?
4.13.
4.x. In 4.x, they're using the Podman. Before that, they not developed a separate tool, separate container tool for them. But after 4.x release, they developed the separate container managing tool. So we are using the Podman. So this point is clear?
Sir.
Are noting down?
Sir.
Okay. So next question, how the errors are coming here. Let's see. I go to here. Podman. Same command only. Podman. Okay. Pull. Vivek Yoganan. I'm checking for Vivek Yoganan. It is asking me where you want to pull the Vivek Yoganan. It is pulling from the registry.access.redhat.com or docker.io. Let I'm saying this, you need to pull it from there. It shows that, right? What error is coming? That error, what error it is? It's you are getting right some error. This type of errors only coming when the image is not available or something will happen. You got my point? Okay, let's see here. I can search for Podman search. How are you doing the Google search? Google every search பண்ணுவீங்களோ? Same you can search it here as well. Vivek Yoganand. What happened here? This is my repository, and you can see that I'm pulling. I have one name that is called Docker, github.io. If you're not able to view this, shall I zoom this one? Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now okay.
Now, example, I search the command called Docker Podman search Vivek Yoganand, Podman search Rajinikanth, Podman search Kamalagasan, Podman search whoever. Or Podman search Photoshop, Podman search Java, Podman search .NET, Podman search MySQL, Podman search MongoDB, anything you can search it. Here only you can search your application. This is simple. I'm getting inside the master and doing that. Okay. Now, question is, this is not the question. Question is this, which is available there or not? It is available. What is this application name?
Music web application.
Using web application, which is available in one of the application is available. Now, I want to download this application. What's the command to download?
Podman pull.
Pull means pulling that particular image into the local repository. Copy this and paste it, and you can pull it. Now, actually, it will throw an error. I know the error. Why? Because I not given the tag name. I not given the tag name. So you can see that error initializing the source. Now I just give the tag name like
Yes.
first try. Now we can see that it's going to pull the image. So that is what 3 things I mentioned to you. 1, 2, 3. It is downloaded, and you can check your images. What's the command? Podman images.
Podman image.
You can see at the last, do you able to see that image? Say yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So you know the history of commands, what I executed now. And I will explain each command, what it is.
Vivek, you told Docker is not supported on forward, but how it is pulling image from
Docker command is not supported, but from the repository it can pull it, right?
Registry.
It's a repository or registry, you can pull it, right?
Okay.
The command is not working, but we can pull it from there. Engine is different. Tire is the same tire, same MRF. Engine is changed, but we are using the same tire. Through that only we can run our application, because the applications all are available in Docker, Quad.io, Redhat.list. Three areas I already discussed with you, Morgan. Maybe I can recall you. If you want to pull your application, okay, so 3 areas it is available. I can show you one more diagram for you, easy to understand that. Your application can pull it from Docker, hub.docker.com, or Quai.io. Here only all will be there. See guys, I will ask you one question. You want to run Java, or example, you are constructing some house. You want to purchase a door or window. So you will look for some of the quality things or where it is available, right? If example, you're looking for next 5 kilometers, it is not available. You go for the next 6 kilometers to get the door or not. Same way, we are not depend on only one Quad.io or Redhat.history.com. So where it is available, we are pulling that and we can using that application. Actually, this is not available in the Quad.io or any other areas. So it is available in the my Docker.io.
Docker Hub.
Clear? Why I've done that? So this concept why I'm discussed means you need to understand these errors, image-based errors. These all are kya errors ma?
Image-based.
Image-based errors. Okay. Okay. Clear? Now, followed by, you may have one, I can show you one PPT, then you can easy to understand that. Go to the Kubernetes, documents. Okay, hold on, ma. That PPT will give you some little bit idea. I opened the network time only, but anyhow, to understand this concept, I can show you that PPT. We are going to discuss a lot of PPTs during the network because network is a bit difficult to understand. So by the time I can teach you the YAML format, how the YAML file works, like that and all. That we can go for this command. Okay, this is the diagram. You asked me, right? Mohan, you asked question after me. Why
Yeah.
Docker is not there, but we are pulling it, right? Hello, are you there?
Yeah, no, yeah, yes, Vivek, yes.
Now you can see it here. I answered your question. What is this?
Registry access at redhat.com.
What is this?
Docker registry.
What is this? Google Container Registry.
Yeah, Google.
Container.
Yes.
So all they can use it, right? There is no one is stopping you. You can put you if example Red 7 is available, Red Hat, you can take it. MySQL is available in the Docker, you can take it. That's what I said. Purchasing somewhere. If you want to cook the food, whatever the raw materials needed, you need it, right? Same like for
Yes.
application as well. It's a software, but the trusted thing can be from mostly you can get it from the redhat.registry.com, enterprise oriented only. They can give, you can get it from redhat.registry.com or catalog. Okay, the container.catalog.com also there. So some other areas you can use it. So this point is clear. I answered your question. Why I'm using multiple things?
Yes.
This diagram helps you to understand.
Yes, Vivek.
Mr. Morgan,
Yes, Vivek.
you are pulling all them. Even you can use a private hub as well. Do you know sometimes interview they will ask you, are you using any private hub? The private hub is called Hopper. Please make note down. Private means how you can, like the data center is there, on premises is there, bare metal is like a private. Same, you can install this software and you can keep download some images from the Docker and you can scan the image. Any vulnerability means what? Any threats are there, any threats to attack or vulnerability to attack or CVE, any weakness points are there, like that we can scan everything and later you can upload into a private repository. Whenever needed, you can download it. So got it? This is a private. You are not going to theater. This is like a theater. This is your TV. Now you got it, what I'm trying to convey? Others. What this and all?
Yes, sir.
Public theater. This is a public theater. Everyone can go and come. But
Yes.
Hopper is a private repository. It's like a TV. You can download here. How you're downloading
But-
your Rajini movie, Jailer, like that. And you can see in your local TV. Same way, we can download our images. We can scan it and everything we can upload into the here and there you can download it. Not directly getting into the production server. Not directly upload in the production server. You directly upload in the production server. If any of the issues is coming, the entire production application will be impacted with virus. I can easily I can teach you in your term, it's a virus. So if the virus is attacked means what we are doing, oh my god, like that we are saying, like in your term just saying like that. So here we call it the threats, vulnerabilities, common vulnerability exposure. Okay, so how we can mitigate that one, those are the key terms we can use it here. But in your case, it's think like a virus, it's attacked to the production, then total business will be collapsed. So business impact will be there. Business impact will be there. So to overcome that, we can download and we can scan it and we can upload to the Hopper. Then they can run the application. Points are clear, easy. Why they are going for Hopper? Sometimes
Yes,
they will
sir.
ask you, or using a private repository, then you can use the answer for this also. Yes, we are using Hopper as a private repository. We can download, scan, and we can upload. And whenever we need the application, then we can do it. Okay. For you, Morgan, for your question, see, ready-made PPT is there for me, everything. Okay, this I can teach you when I going to the network concept. Cluster IP means what? Node port is mon. We discussed, right? Node port, you can see it here. This is a node port range, right? What's the range?
Yes,
Yes.
30,000 to 30,000 to
I will
32,
come into the next
7 to
chapter.
76.
Next chapter is such a big chapter. We are going to discuss the network. It's like each and every area we're going to discuss. But we need some time and patience to understand the complete whole area. I will teach you in a very friendly way to understand the concept. Now come to here. So now, what I'm going to do here in sense, this I will, most of the time people have some issues. Okay, Vivek, how are going to fix it? I can give a ChatGPT template. You can copy this template. Even if you don't know ChatGPT, I can show you how it works. For example, I just open one of the ChatGPT here. Okay. I open one of the ChatGPT in my system. And example, what's your error? What's your error name? Image pull back off. Example, we
Image
take
pull
image
back,
pull
sir.
back off. Open. Pod went to the image pull back off state and how to fix it. So if you give this command, it can show you how to check the availability, full secret, network. But you can see that most of the time this is not shown any commands here. Okay. So what you have to additionally you can use it here. Show the commands. If you put the show the commands, it will give all the commands, how to get the image, how to get the secret, how to ping the URL is available, how to check the pod is available, all the command readily available. So shall we discuss one after one? Just to understand, Vivek, I am from different background. Oh my God, how to survive? Oh my God, how to get to the IT? Who can help me? No, ChatGPT also there. You can use number of methods. You can use it. Okay. And I show another one method is called access.redhat.com. What's another one method? I already discussed with you. Where you can get the, how you can fix it? What's the name of that one, ma?
Red Hat.
Access
This dot Red Hat.
dot
Without that.
redhat.com. Two ways. You can check here. All the ready-made documents are available. Solution ready-made available. Listen the word ready-made. Otherwise, a template I can give in our tip itself. That means what text itself. You can get it here. You can see OC get images. Okay. Let's see here. OC get secret. We can get the secret. We can ping the URL, whether that URL is available there or not. Or you can describe the pod, what kind of issue it is. Or you can delete the pod and you can recreate it again. So these are the ways, simple. Or even Vivek, can you show me lively? You can go image, pull. It's same error, you can put all the errors. Okay, plus access dot Red Hat .com. You can get the complete error here. So if I click this, it can give the complete outline for you. I can log in. Today I'm totally suffering from fever, cold, but I'm committed with the timing, so that's why I'm joined here. Okay, let's say here you can see what are the ways you can troubleshoot it. This is a resolution. What error you are getting? Build is failed. Image pull back off. Private for the private docker.io or image pull, any kind of issue. They can give version also. What version this and all? 3.9, 3.10, 3.11. And you can check for 4.x is not there. You can go back here and check for image pull back off plus 4.ex. You can click the enter. Now you can errors. Okay. Now what version you are seeing?
What aspects?
4.x. What's the error it is? Image pull back off. How you can fix it? So you need to understand where this error will come and how we can use it and how we can move forward. So just understand this concept. So two things I can discuss with you. One, you can use a ChatGPT to troubleshoot it, or otherwise you can use another method to search the resolution. What method? Two methods are there? You can see it here. These are all not in your bookmark. Book, no errors, nothing else. Why I'm sharing with you? It will interview process. Okay, have you noted down? I can give this, upload this as well. Okay, after the session. So what are three methods or the secret?
Generic,
Generic
Generic.
Docker
registry.
registry,
Docker registry.
TLS.
And TLS. You know already how to create this. You know how to create this, but I can show you how to create the secret now. How to create the secret? Can you tell me? So what's the command to create the secret, ma? So what user we have created already? OC leader, LEADR leader, hyphen OC login, right? OC login, hyphen U. What's the username? LEADR hyphen P. Okay. OC get users. So you don't have highest privilege. That's a bit difficult for me. So compulsory I need to log in, I think so. Otherwise, we can take this path. Control C. Go back here. Enter and log in. So I just log in with my LAN. Okay, once I log in, so I am in the super user only. Now, what is supposed to work on it, ma? What topic? So secret. How to get the secret? Can you tell me the command now?
OC get secrets.
OC create
OC?
secret. Create.
OC get SEC or it is secret. Okay. And I want to get the secret from the which namespace? OpenShift config. How to
Hyphen
get that one?
config. Hyphen N, OpenShift, hyphen
So I'm
config.
getting into the folder. I'm getting to the folder. What's the folder name? OpenShift hyphen
Config.
Think like that is a folder name. And what I created already 24 hours before. My
secret torch.
secret created. So now the question is, how to create our, we know that how to create the things for, what's the name of it? Secret. Okay, generic. OC, create, secret, generic. So if I give the tab means you can see all three types are there. I can take which type? Generic. And we can give some name. My secret touch. Okay. And we can take the file name from, we know that in that chapter, third chapter, we used from file. But here we are using from, you can see what different types are there. From literal. From literal means directly I can use a username. User equal to Vivek Yoganand. Again, hyphen from hyphen literal equal to password equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you understand here now? Two methods are there. One is from file. I pause the user this file name. If you want to pause a file name, then you can use this method from file. I want to pause directly the username and password directly. Difference is there. Here I can use 6 users at a time. How many users?
6 users at a time.
But here I can create only one user at a time. That's the difference between from literal and from file. Points are clear?
Yes, sir.
Already available here. You can check it. This is syntax. This is syntax. How to create it. And this is key equal to value, or we can create it. Now, you know how to create it for the generic, but you don't know how to create for TLS. Even for everything, I can give the example. What you can do it here? What command you can use it? Hyphen
Help.
L. We give the help command already available or not. You can see it here. You can use help command, you can use ChatGPT, you can use the access.radar.com. Anywhere else you can get the solution. You have to know only the topic and the flow, how to use it. இது எப்படி யூஸ் பண்றதா தெரியணும். ஒரு கார் வாங்கினா டிரைவ் பண்ண தெரியணும்ன்ற மாதிரி you no need to understand each and every area of the car, but at least you know how to drive the car. Then you can easy to know understand other areas as well. Same way, you have to know how it works, then easy for everything. Now come back here. What are different types of secret? Generic.
types.
Generic Docker
Docker
Now I
registry
want to create
TLS.
TLS.
Docker registry.
Now I want to create TLS. Hold on. Now I want to create TLS. OC create TLS. Actually, I don't know the method. OC create secret TLS. OC create secret TLS, but I don't know how to use it. Check the help command. Go to here. They given already how to use it. Is there or not? Right click, copy, quit it, enter. So we can see it here. Where is my path is available? Okay. TLS / server dot set. And another one. TLS dot server dot key. It is created. You will get some confused. Vivek, what is Vivek? I don't know. Oh my God, this is just. We not aware of it. Certificate and key. Listen. Now only coming to the question. Any certificate, what we have? Any application, what we have? Tell me. What is this, ma? Validity period. Do you see any validity period? So Vasant.
Yes.
Yes or no? Validity period is there.
Yes, sir.
So this certificate only they're pausing it. You don't want to see how the certificate looks? TLS / server. See, this is your certificate. Actually, you want to decode the certificate. Do you able to decode this certificate? Then only you can able to do it, right? Server, say TLS dot server dot key. You can check the key as well. This is a key, this is a certificate. But the question is now, you can show the certificate valid or not. In the question, you check the certificate validity. The command to check the certificate validity is open SSL, open SSL, open SSL X509 -X509 or X509, and we can pause our -N. What's the input file name? TLS. Where the file is located, ma? Under the folder TLS. What's the file name? Secret dot certificate -no out -text. If you give this command, it can give your validity. Do you want to see that? Can anyone do this?
Yes, sir. Not before November 30, 02, 5848. Not
Okay,
after
Vivek, again you are getting confused. I don't know how to access this. No worries. Go to Google. Everything solution is available in Google. Google, my friends. Go to here. Okay, I have already tagged that one. What's that? Okay, decode the SSL, right? Decode the SSL. I don't know where I kept it.
base 64 we can decode.
Yeah,
Base
yeah.
64.
But in internet, I'm just showing you. Okay, SSL or certificate decoder. We need to check certificate decoder. This guy is good. Let's check this guy. So what's your certificate name? The certificate. Actually, don't know, right? What this certificate will talk about. Okay. We can copy the certificate. Copy the certificate. Hold on. Guys, this and all not given in your, again, I'm saying this are not in your syllabus. As I said already, my training is only purely for placement based. So detail will be there, but I'm not missing anything. So if you go to the decode the certificate, click the decode. Now you come down and you can see the details here. So what's the name of the organization, ma?
Vyog.
Vyog Academy, OCP, India, Tamil Nadu, Bangalore. Example, you can see validity, everything. So you want to know the certificate decoder URL, I can paste in the chat window. Please make note of it. Certificate decoder, and also paste in the, maybe previously as of now number of things happen, but I not shared this in detail. I can share that one here as well. Decoder. Okay. Decoder URL. Is it okay? Now I added that one. So now you know how to create the secret, how to create the secret in TLS, how to decode the secret as well. But you don't know how to create the certificate. I showed you how to decode the certificate. Now I'm going to decode பண்ணதான் சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன் ஆனா எப்படி create பண்ணனும்னு சொல்லி தரல. So now I can show you how to create the certificate as well. Let's see here. I can take for 356 days, 1 year validity certificate. Let me take this certificate here. Control C. Go to here. The same file only. So now I explain this one after one. Before that, we can make it as November key and now certificate. And OV. So now you explain you this concept one after one. Let's see here. What's the first one, ma? What's the first one? Open SSL. On how many days expiry day? How many days expiry day, ma?
1 year.
3 days means what? I'm going to create one certificate. Clients, what's a certificate? I'm going to create certificate. How many days? 1 year. 1 year validity. I'm going to create one certificate. This certificate attached to the application. Then only the application is highly secured. What's our topic actually? What's our topic, ma?
Application security.
It should be secured one, right? If it is not secured one, hacker will be hacked it. Again, I'm saying that. So it should be secured one. So we need to follow some steps here. How to make your certificate, because as of now you are using your application, but you don't know what's happening in the back end. பின்னாடி என்ன நடக்குன்னு உங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் கூட தெரியாது. ஒவ்வொரு certificate run ஆகிறதுக்கும் compulsory this OpenSSL and this certificates is very important to run your application in anywhere in the world. Wide any application they will use this format only. Okay, whether it's a Linux based, it's running in Linux. I'm not talking about OpenShift, I'm not talking about Kubernetes, I'm not talking about SUSE. It is running anywhere in the worldwide, any applications. Okay, if they go to the certificate, this is the only method. In the command தவிர உலகத்துல வேற command இல்ல, இதுதான் execute பண்ணும், இதுதான் command create பண்ணி ஒரு certificate create பண்ணி the certificate attach பண்ணுவாங்க. This is a method how it can create and we can attach it. Let's see here. உங்களுக்கு ஐயோ அப்படின்னா this is the way, no other way. Now, where is our certificate name? What's the certificate name? November certificate. What key? November key. What algorithm we are using here?
RSA.
The port protocol. What protocol here? X509 protocol. This is an algorithm. This is an algorithm. This is a protocol. This is a validity. Like we are putting everything. Key out means what? I want the output. I want the output November.key. I want the output November.certificate in the node format. Request new key. I want what key I wanted? New key. So this complete I can clear it again. Now you can understand the complete whole area. Let's see here. This new key up to this is for this one area, one portion. And 1 second. This is one comes on one area. Now you got it. This is Okay. What's this? Is only for key portion. And what is this? This is only for certificate portion. Now we got it. New key, applying on algorithm, nodes, key out, and key name is this one. Creating certificate. One single command, both are available to create the key, to create the certificate. Here I need to create X509 protocol. I want in how many days? 365 days. No putting like this one. If I clear this and if you enter, now you can get the what it's showing. Anyone can read out this?
Country name.
Country.
Country. Your application belongs to which country? That's why vyog.in is there. Vyog.in or ananicity. Okay, .edu. That and all. It is about the domain name. Okay, let's see here. Country. Which country we are? India.
India.
India. If you give extra letter, also it won't accept. You can see it here. What it shows.
Too long.
So then, how many letters they ask to add it here?
2 letters code.
Two
Letters.
letters. IN means India is taken. Which state we are? Okay, I'm taking Tamil Nadu. I am currently in Tamil Nadu.
AP.
Okay, what locality? Like I am in Hosur. Okay, HOS you are. Yes, Hosur. HOS you are. Okay, type here, leave it. Organization. Organization. Example, Vyog.
Vyog.
Okay, example, organization unit. Security. Say CU. Alright, US security. Common name. Example.com or vyog.in, we can give something else. Address. Okay. support@gmail.com. Enter. So what happened? Now it is created certificate and a key. Are you agree with me? So how you can check that? You can see it here. It's created now or not?
Yes, sir.
What's the command to check it is? ls command. My ls not list the command, list the package, list of things. ls-ltr.
Not.
So I list out. If you want, now I'm asked one more time again question with you. Now you can show very, very interesting how to decode this. How to decode this. This certificate. Now what and all I created, right? Can you tell me what all I created?
Sir,
India.
certificate.
India.
Tamil Nadu state.
Tamil Nadu. Hosur.
Hosur.
Type error.
Organization.
Okay.
Vyog.
Organization. Vyog.
Department. Security.
Security. So something. So how we can decode this? So we
Base
can apply the same
64.
command.
We can here only decode this. Base 64.
Base 64 using, but OpenSSL is much better. OpenSSL and X509 protocol. And we take in the input. -n means what? Input key. What's input name of the certificate?
Now dot set.
Now CPF.
November. November dot CRT. So I want no output and text txt. That's it. I'm just giving here only this much command. It's going to give you. You can see it. Anyone can read out this. What are you here? That's matching or not?
Yes, sir, it's matching.
India. Tamil Nadu. Also, York. Security. And again followed by in and address. So I give history of commands. I pause for 1 minute. So time to ask questions. As this, note down the commands. I can also paste these commands, history of commands in the WhatsApp group, but meanwhile, you go through it. So ask me any questions to represent. I will tell you what are the major commands you're supposed to mark up this one. This you're supposed to mark up. How to create the things. And I will show you.
Sir,
how to
in
decode as
interview,
well.
how can they ask the questions? Sir,
tell you, ma.
in the interview, how
Yeah.
can they ask, okay, in
In
application?
interview, they will ask you how you can create your certificate and how you can check your validity of your certificate and how you can fix it. How you can check the validity
Fix
of
it.
certificate.
We need
That's the one.
to tell about the command, how to create.
Yes, yes. These two commands is very important. This is very easy for you. We know already how to create the secret. Rest of things you already know it. One is generic. This is
Docker
generic method.
registry.
Okay, undo. This is a generic method. One is generic. We are discussed two types. One is generic. Another one TLS.
Transport.
Another one decode. Another one. Great. Last 1 hour we discussed 4 commands. Have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I can give the history of commands to you. You can copy and paste.
So Vivek, I have other questions. Hello.
So what is the purpose we are using this TLS?
Sorry, I am the mute. Tell me what's the question? Hello.
Why we are using this TLS?
Why we are using TLS? You have the application should be in secured way. You need to protect your security. So that's what we going for that concept.
In real time also they are
Real
using the
time also we
TLS.
are use the TLS only.
Hmm,
And in that
yeah.
one again we go for more security concept that is called route concept. So in that double
Route.
encryption will be there. This is one encryption. Your code is just one encryption, but next to you talk about a double encryption.
Okay.
Okay, how we can work on that double encryption like that.
So Vivek, I have
Tell
a
me,
question,
Hemant.
but I have a question, but not related to this. Is it a good time? Can I ask you now?
Yeah, please tell me.
So wanted to know like these topics, are they related to ARO like Helm, Tech Talk, Terraform?
Everything will come. Tecton, Jenkins. Okay, Jenkins also we're going to deploy it. All are in operator format. All are in operator.
Helm chart is also.
Helm chart also there. If you go to here, you can see it. If you go to your console, we can discuss it later. That's what I said. Wait for the demo session and all, but you only want to discuss it. So I can show you Helm chart, Tecton, Jenkins, how it comes, how it works as well. So for my students also, I'm going to show them how all things are going to happen.
How you convert the application code to image?
Yes. Okay, ma. Right now just disconnect. My office is going there, so we can discuss on tomorrow. See you all.